What if you could save $500 in the next 30 days without giving up coffee, skipping dinners with friends, or canceling your favorite subscriptions? Most people think saving fast means sacrificing all the fun, but it doesn't have to be that way. Today, I'll show you how to keep enjoying life while still hitting that $500 goal. Before we start, make sure you subscribe, click the like button, and share this video with someone who wants to save money without feeling deprived. In this video, I'm going to give you a clear, step-by-step plan that works for busy people and families. We'll cover quick wins that put money back in your account right away, small changes that make a big difference, and easy ways to boost your income without long-term commitments. By the end, you'll have a 30-day action plan you can start today. 1. Quick wins that add up. Let's start with the fastest way to make progress, finding money that's already in your life but slipping through the cracks. Step 1. Audit subscriptions and memberships. Open your last 30 days of bank and credit card statements. Look for charges you've forgotten about or don't fully use. Streaming services, gym memberships, app subscriptions. Pause or cancel them. Even freeing up $30, $50 right away makes a difference. Step 2. Negotiate bills. Call your internet, phone, or insurance provider and ask about lower-cost plans or promotions. Many companies will reduce your rate to keep you as a customer. Step 3. Sell unused items. Walk through your home and pick 5 to 10 items you haven't used in the last 6 months. Electronics, furniture, and sports equipment often sell quickly on Facebook Marketplace or Craigslist. Selling just 3 items at $40 each puts $120 in your pocket. 2. Automate your savings. Next, we're going to make saving automatic so you don't have to think about it every day. Open a separate savings account and name it 500 Challenge. Set up a daily automatic transfer of $10 or $20 from your main account. Use roundup apps that send spare change from each purchase directly to savings. Example, 15-day and 30 days, it'll forward $50 without noticing much day to day. If these tips are making sense so far, take a moment to subscribe, like this video, and share it so more people can learn how to save without cutting the things they love. 3. Swap. Don't stop. This is where we keep the fun, but spend less doing it. Examples. Instead of a $40 dinner out, host a potluck with friends. Cost drops to $10 or less. Swap one 15 rideshare trip for public transit or walking. $10 saved each time. Choose matinee movies for $8 instead of $15 evening tickets. Key point. You're keeping the activity but paying less for it. 4. Earn a little extra. Sometimes the fastest way to save more is to make more, even if it's just for a short time. Offer quick services in your network: pet sitting, babysitting, yard work, tutoring. Use gig platforms like DoorDash, Uber Eats, or Rover. Sell a skill you already have: photography, resume writing, language tutoring. Example: 2 babysitting jobs at $50 each per hour, selling a $100 item equals $200 in less than a week. 5. Track and celebrate progress. Motivation grows when you see results. Create a visual tracker, thermometer chart, progress bar, or app. Mark off every 25 hours saved. Celebrate small milestones with something low cost but enjoyable. When I needed $500 for a short trip, I thought I'd have to cancel all my outings. Instead, I sold an old laptop for $120, paused 2 subscriptions to save $30, hosted a dinner at home instead of eating out, and picked up a one-time weekend job walking dogs for $80. In 27 days, I had $512 saved, and I didn't feel like I'd missed out on anything. Now you have 4 strategies: quick wins, automated savings, smart swaps, and short-term income boosts. Combine them, and you can hit your $500 goal faster than you think. Start today. Pick 2 actions you can do right now, and keep going until you reach your target. If you found this video helpful, subscribe to the channel, like the video, and share it with someone who's ready to save without giving up the things they enjoy. And let me know in the comments how much you save in your first week. I'd love to hear your progress.